short video on making these drawer faces. This is actually one of those drawer faces after it has been sanded and painted. Basically just ripped down some pine, used biscuit joints and butt joints as the joint. And then the one piece that I wanted to talk about really quickly was using the router in that large vise thing that I have to cut out the space for the panels. I felt comfortable doing that, and you have to take safety into your own hands. If you don't have a router table, that is a method to do it, but if you do not feel comfortable doing that, don't. I felt comfortable doing it. I used a 1/2 inch router bit with a bearing on top, but I made sure beyond all that, I made sure I was not distracted, I took my time, I was as safe as I could be, and you have to decide if you feel comfortable doing it as well. But it came out great. I used 1/2 inch plywood because I wanted a little bit of bulk in between where the drawer pulls are gonna be and where the drawer is. There are lots of different ways to do these doors or these drawer faces. This is the method I chose. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.